In this video, I'll guide you through the process of downloading and installing SideStore on your iPhone. To get started, you'll first need to download the SideStore IPA file. You can find the download link in the description below. Once the IPA file is downloaded, you'll also need to install an app called Flex 2. I've already created a separate video that walks you through how to install Flex 2, so make sure to check that out if you haven't set it up yet. Flex 2 allows you to sign and install IPA files on your iPhone without facing common revocation issues. After launching Flex 2, tap on the Signer option located at the bottom of the screen. Then, select Choose IPA File, and pick the SideStore IPA file you downloaded earlier. Next, tap Sign and then Install. Give it a few moments while the installation process completes, and SideStore will be successfully installed on your iPhone. That's it. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more iPhone tutorials.